without taking the time to derive how binary works and how we count in binary and all of that. And by the way, if you're interested in that, I do have a full video series. Just look up Roger Zimmerman subnetting on YouTube and you'll find a series of 31 videos. I recommend those if you really want to get into detail here. But to just quickly look at how to take a binary number and convert it into decimal, we'll just jump right to it. We start with a chart that looks like this: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Now this is 1 byte. There are 8 bits here. We could go farther, and if we went farther we would go 256 and so forth. But we're not going to go there right now. We're just going to stop here at the 128 mark. And let's say that we have a binary number that looks like this: 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Now how would we turn that into a decimal number? Well, we just simply put these ones in their proper place in this chart. I've got a 0 at this point and a 0 at this point, but I have a 1 here and a 1 here, and then zeros for each of these other digits here. All I have to do is add up the digits that I have. I've got an 8 and a 4. 8 plus 4. This equals 12. So this is the binary number for 12. Now be careful here. We don't really need leading zeros. For example, in decimal, you wouldn't say 00056 if you wanted to express 56 of something. That wouldn't make any sense. In the same way in binary, you don't typically use these leading zeros. You just leave them out. And so in order to represent 12, we would typically just say 1100 equals 12. Now, there are times that you do want those leading zeros there, but most of the time you don't. If you're showing the position of something in memory or something like that, then you might need those leading zeros. So let's erase this, and we'll just take another number, and we'll do this again with a different number. All right, so let's take a number like 10100100. Now I've got 8 bits here. So let's put all 8 bits in their locations. 00100. I'm going backwards here. 101. Now I've got a 128 right here, and I've got a 32 right here, so we'll add 32, and I've got a 4 right here, so we'll add 4, and I've got, I guess that's all. So we'll just add these together. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is now 14. Carry the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, and then a 1 over here, we have 164. So 10100100 equals 164. See how easy that is? All you have to do is add up the numbers, and you are converting from binary to decimal. Very, very simple to do. I suggest you just practice a few of these on your own. Just make up a bunch of ones and zeros and then put them in place. And as I said, if you make up more than 8 of them, then you would just continue to double this. 256, 512, and so forth. And then you could put those ones in place and add those numbers in as well.